Yesterday I received a whole bunch of kits from Doug Hendricks' website, QRPkits.com. Now there are a lot of videos on YouTube of demonstrations of these things finished and working. I just figured I'd show you what you actually get in the kit unassembled. So pretty much, obviously you get the chassis. This is one of those exceptions where the actual writing has already been put on the front of it. This is probably more representative, but obviously you get chassis, a whole bunch of components all in the one baggie, and a circuit board. Now what I've got over here, as you can see, I've got the shortwave regenerative receiver. I made a couple of regenerative receivers using valves or vacuum tubes, but this one is totally solid state and can run off of a 9-volt battery. Over here we got the Survivor 80 meter single sideband and CW transceiver, puts at about 10 watts peak, and the SLT Plus long wire antenna tuner that can do 80 to 10 meters with an end-fed wire. Now as you can see, these are totally unfinished, don't have the decals on the front or the back. Basically it's your responsibility to paint it up if you wish. Put the decals on there and put some clear coat if you want. They're rather inexpensive. Let's just wipe that. Not expensive, inexpensive, i.e. they're cheap. Couple of things to take note: the edges are a wee bit sharp, and it's got little pointy corners over there. But you know, if you don't have a file, well, probably need one anyway, especially if you're going to be tinkering with electronics and enclosures. I will do a demo of the 80 meter transceiver, the Survivor, when it's done, because I haven't been able to find any clips on YouTube, so I may as well be first. But one thing to take a note, obviously these are QRP kits, rather low power. You can't really tell how big they are by looking on the website, so I'm just going to give you a comparison. As I said, 10 watt transceiver sitting next to a multimeter, so let's see, rather small. Next to a Weller soldering station, tiny, which is what you want, because obviously a lot of people may be working portable, so you want something lightweight. You don't want to be lugging a back-breaking transceiver, unless of course you own a car, which I don't, so small is good. Anyway, I probably better have myself some breakfast, and I'll get started on the regenerative receiver today. And I'm sure, as the way I am, there'll be a YouTube demo of that. But yeah, these kits are good. I've read a lot of good things about them. The instructions are very descriptive, which is what you want. Don't want any sort of unanswered questions. You want to make sure you build this thing properly first time, because obviously troubleshooting is more difficult than getting it right from the word go. So there's a link in my description, www.qrpkits.com. Highly recommended. Anyway, bye for now.